Alright guys, so we're going to start this chandelier centerpiece off with these paper towel holders that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and you need 2 of those. And those are going to be in the kitchen section of the Dollar Tree. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these 2 together. Now you can make this centerpiece as tall as you would like or as short as you would like using these holders. So what I'm going to do is put those together using some zip ties that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree in the automotive section. Now I'm not measuring to see how tall I want these, but I'm just kind of eyeballing it, and I'm just going to use those zip ties again. We're going to put those together, and you want to pull those zip ties as tight as you can. And I'm going to use 3 zip ties on each side. I just want to make sure that it is very secure. So I start with one on one side, and then I will do another one on the other side to make sure that it is balanced before I add the other zip ties. So now I have all of my zip ties added, and what I'm going to do now is to cut off the excess, and you want to cut as close as possible because you don't want too much of this showing once you start working on your centerpiece. Now you guys can absolutely leave this color if you'd like, but I'm going to go ahead and take mine and I'm going to spray paint it gold using my gold metallic spray paint. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell to see more DIY tutorials. Now I've gotten it all spray painted and it looks gorgeous already. We're going to go ahead and start placing our beading. And I picked these up from Amazon. I'm going to leave that description, the link down in the description box for you guys. So what I want to do is put my beading on the inside first because that's where I want my length, and then I'll do the shorter ones on the outside. And I think I used about 12 on the inside. So now I have all of that together for the inside. I used about 12. So I'm just evening those out to make sure those are spaced evenly. And then I'm going to take my glue gun for right now, and I'm going to just place a dot of glue on the link chain at the top to keep that in place. Okay, now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to start with the outside. And as I said, we're going to be doing those at a shorter length. Now you can figure out what length you want yours to be. And again, I don't measure, I just eyeball it to see what I want. And I'm thinking this looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the outside. And I'm just doing that by taking my little link from the chain and placing it on the rim. Okay, and now we have everything all put together and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it is all put together. And with our lovely floral arrangement on top, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. I'm going to make a lot more of these for an event that I have coming up, and I'll show you guys later on what those look like. But as for now, thank you so much for watching. Again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see new upcoming DIY tutorials. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.